Australia jobless rate hits fresh 48 12-months low, even as employment falls. Sydney Australia's jobless rate dropped to a fresh 48-year low in July even as employment broke a super strong run with the primary fall this year, a mixed document that could trace at some cooling inside the red-hot labour marketplace. Figures from the Australian Bureau of Statistics out on Thursday confirmed the jobless rate dipped to a few 0.4%, when analysts had searched for it to maintain at 3.5%. That became the bottom rate for the reason that August 1974 and solely introduced to prove the labour marketplace become drum tight. Yet internet employment additionally surprised by way of falling 40,900 in July, missing forecasts of a 25,000 growth and the first drop considering the fact that October closing 12 months. Further clouding the image, the variety of unemployed also fell 20,200 and all at once took the participation fee down to 66.4%, from 66.8%. All this statistical noise restrained the market impact with the local dollar down just a fraction to $0.6927, at the same time as futures persisted to guess the Reserve Bank of Australia (RBA) could maintain elevating hobby prices undeterred. Bjorn Jarvis, head of Labour Facts on the ABS, mentioned July coincided with ICNA's faculty vacations and employee absences related to COVID-19 which dragged down hours worked. During the pandemic, it has not been unusual to see larger than usual adjustments or slowing in employment and hours round faculty vacations, stated Jarvis. There were also signs and symptoms of electricity in measures of underemployment and underutilization which fell to the lowest on the grounds that 1982, and those have a tendency to correlate properly with rising wages. Data out Wednesday confirmed salary boom rose modestly within the June region to 2.7%, a ways behind inflation at 6.1%. Yet, that turned into nevertheless an 8-year excessive and pay boom granted in the personal zone did boost up to a few 0.8%. Business surveys have proven firms suffering hard to find suitable labor and inclined to pay to retain group of workers. The RBA has emphasized that its liaison with corporations suggests pay and bonuses are at the manner up and rising labor fees will only add to inflationary pressures. Seeking to chill the economy, the important financial institution has already lifted hobby rates by using 175 foundation points given that May to reach 1.85% and markets are priced for a top round 3.6% through April's subsequent year. Labor call for signs continue to be organization, which shows the autumn in employment in July can be brief-lived, said Sean Langcake, head of macroeconomic forecasting for BIS Oxford Economics. All signs factor to a totally tight labor market.